Hello, this is Elaine with Elaine's Creations, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this fun pop-out card using the Shaded Summer stamp set and the free Summer Shadows dies. The dies are free during August and September. Here is the Shaded Summer stamp set that is in the annual catalog and the coordinating Summer Shadows dies that are available for free with a $100 US order during Sale-A-Bration, which is August and September. And they perfectly coordinate and cut out these three images. And then there's some bonus dies that I'm going to use when I show you this side pop-out card. So this is a super fun card that folds flat and fits in an A2 size envelope. And we're going to put one together. And I have a template. Templates are always good to start with. So I have two pieces. I have the main card, which is 9 3/8 by 4 1/4. And it's scored at 3/8, 1 3/8, 2 7/8, and 3 7/8. And then I have the little centerpiece, which is 5 1/8 by 3. And it's scored at 3/8 and 1 3/8. Pardon the inky fingers, but I've been doing some other videos and I was cleaning and I got ink all over me. So they're the two templates. You can take a screenshot of those. Maybe if I hold them down better. So let's bring in all my supplies here. So I've got everything here. So here's my base, and I'm just going to fold everything in one direction towards the card and score each one with my bone folder. And then same thing with the centerpiece. I'm gonna shift that over a little bit more. And then the little piece, little tab. So now I'm gonna decorate these pieces. So I'm going to use the Sale-A-Bration paper that is the hand penned paper that you can also earn for free, and you only need a $50 US order. And I'm gonna layer this on soft succulent. And so I'm gonna attach this piece by putting some adhesive on this tab right here. So I'm just gonna run my adhesive down the tab. And then I'm going to attach it. What's the easiest way to do this? Is that correct? Hopefully that's correct. I'm going to fold over the second score line here, and I've got my tab here, and then I'm gonna fold here and just adhere this flat, and it creates my box here. And then I can adhere this, and this piece is 3 3/4 by 4. So I'm gonna place that right there. And then I have a little piece right here for this side. And this measures 1 1/8 by 4. And this one looks like it's too wide. So I'm gonna trim that. So this should be 1, if that's 1 1/8. It seems like a lot. Let's check it again. So this is 1, maybe this is supposed to be 1 1/4, but it's not. So I'm gonna do 1 1/16. Compromise here a little bit. see if that fits better. It's pretty tight, but I can see an edge, so I'll take it. And this fun paper, you can color. It's black and white. So you can color in the flowers. You see the flowers on this side. Or I'll show you another way to add some color. Just gonna use a blending brush with some of the ink and add that on. So I'm just gonna push this down flat so I can more easily adhere that. And then I have this piece, which is 3.5 by 2 3/4. And so this piece is a little bit smaller, but this is not cut right at all. So if this is 2 3/4, let me just measure that again. What did I say? 3.5. So 3.5 should be right here. And so this should be a little bit smaller. And then I said 2.5. So there's 2.5. It should go here. That seems really short. No, I said 2 3/4. Yes, 2 3/4. So that is going to go right there. It still seems off, but it looks better. It just looks a little off here. So let's try that again. Okay, I think that's better. Yes. Okay, so I'm gonna use my blending brush and some soft succulent ink. Just get a little scrap piece of paper here. I think there's glue on that side, so I'm gonna use this side. Just grab a little bit of ink, and I'm gonna start from the bottom. I'm gonna make this the bottom. Just rub some off, and then come in softly at first. Just go all the way up. And then we'll come in, more ink on me, darker. Just kind of want some dark on the bottom, and then I want it to lighten up at the top. So it's kind of a nice ombre thing you can do with the paper, color it. And then just adhere it to the soft succulent. Okay, darn, a little bit off there. Then you can add this to this front piece here. And then we're gonna attach this front piece to the top piece. Oh, I did it backwards. Backwards. Okay, we're gonna use the lifter, persuader to help us out here. So make sure you have your piece in the right direction before you add it. So it's supposed to go this way, because this is going to be added on this way. So we're gonna put some adhesive on this tab and some adhesive on the back here. And we're going to center this as best we can. And we can do that by folding it flat out this way and attaching it like this. So I think right there is good. So there's this piece, and then there's that piece right there. And then that is our pop-up. You can also line it up with the edge right there. That might be a good thing to do to make sure it doesn't go over the edge, to make sure it'll fit in your envelope. So I also was checking this out to see if I wanted to do colored one or maybe this one, but I determined that I liked this flower the best. I think it looked the nicest. So I'm gonna use that. And you can even add more flowers if you want to. And I stamped thank you. This is a label banner from the, I think it's from the Tasteful Labels dies. So I'm just gonna go ahead and add that in the corner here. And then you could do these little leaves if you wanted to like go crazy decorating. You could do that. Do it all closer together. Or just do it on one side. Like that. What do you think? Make it asymmetrical. Just do something different, I think. I think I'm gonna do that. So I'm gonna glue those two pieces together, you know, or you could do this. I think this would look nice too, if you did that. But I just liked how this contrasts more. So again, I need my scrap paper. I'm gonna do my little glue trick with the sponge. The sponge is starting to get stiff. Maybe I should use the other side. And just get some glue on there. Just really lightly. There we go. And do a little bit more. And just add to this piece here the edges of the petals. And line this up. Okay, and we'll put this one on with dimensionals. Just put one right in the middle here and add that about there. And then put some adhesive on these two pieces right here. Maybe a little bit on that one. Okay, we'll tuck that over here like that. And then on this side, I'm gonna add this flower and leaf. Just make it a little bit different. So I'm going to use the mini dimensionals for this little flower. And to balance it out, got to use like 3. Okay, we'll just put that right there. And then we'll add a little bit of glue to this one. Since it's small, just do a tiny bit. just stick that in there, add the leaf like that. So fun. So I hope you will make one. Oh, I just noticed I need to do one more thing. I decorated this side too, and I did use the soft succulent on it. So let me see if I have any color left in here. There we go. And then we can add this piece. Got to decorate this side too. And I will take the measurements of this piece. So this is 3/4 by 2 3/4. And we can stick it over here. And then we've got it all decorated. And I guess if you wanted to, you could decorate that piece too. But I'm just gonna leave it as is. So here is your fun side pop-out card that folds flat and fits in an A2 sized envelope. I am offering a free card class on the Shaded Summer stamp set. So when you purchase $50 using my current host code, just email me and let me know that you would like this card kit. Really fun, and I will send it right out to you. Thank you so much for watching my video tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to check out my other video tutorials on the Shaded Summer stamp set and the Summer Shadows dies. The dies are available again for free during the months of August and September with any $100 order. So be sure to click the link in my bio to order. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell so you know when I post a new video. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.